Hi everyone, this is Anupama and welcome back and I hope you're all doing good. So let's start our DIY today, that is making of this beautiful ethnic plant hanger, or even you can use it as a lampshade. So let's get started. So for this I'm using these two embroidery hoops. Just remove the outer rings and we'll be using the inner ones. The rings should be of equal sizes. And now coming to the next part, you can use either popsicle stick or a wooden spoon. I'm using this wooden spoon. Just cut it to get 2.5 or 3 inches of length. So I'll be needing 7 to 8 pieces of these. So now using any strong glue, we need to connect these rings using those pieces. Once again I'm saying guys, please don't use hot glue, just use any strong glue. It should be strong enough to hold a plant. And if you guys are following me from the past 1 year, I had made a similar project of lampshade. So if you haven't checked it out, I'll be leaving the link in the description box. So please have a look. Once you're done with the sticking part of the sticks, just secure the ends with any paper clips or this type of clips to make the attachment strong. And make sure that you are leaving little bit of gap on the top to place the planter or to insert the fairy lights, and let it dry completely. Then remove the clips, and this is how it looks. And now I'm using this canvas sheet. Even you can use bukram cloth. The reason I'm using this is I want to use it as a lampshade as well. And if you don't want to use it as a lampshade, you can go with the cardboard. Now place the base on the canvas sheet and trace the shape so that you will be getting a circle like this. Just cut it off. So you'll be needing two of these for both the sides. Just you need to place them like this on both the sides, and we need to stick it. And now we need the strip for the side. As my canvas is not of that length, I'm attaching these two canvases. So once you're done with the sticking part, allow it to dry completely and then cut it according to the length. Now let's move on to the designing part and the coloring part. For this I'm using this teal blue. Just I'm filling it with teal blue color. And for the border I'm using this dark brown. And for the designing part, you can choose any design of your choice. So I'm drawing few lotus and then some leaves to cover the circle. So for this, first I'm using this white acrylic paint, and later I'll be using other colors on this so that the colors will be very bright. And now for this lotus I'm using this pink. And green for the leaves. Now coming to the other side, I'll be using this decoupage paper. So just cut it according to the shape. And now we need to stick this over the canvas sheet. Now apply any white glue on the canvas sheet and spread it using any soft brush. And now stick the decoupage paper over the canvas and gently press it. And now to enhance the look of the picture, I am using this 3D outliner. So by this we are done with the sides. Now for the bottom part, this is the canvas which I had cut it according to the shape like this, leaving the gap on the top, and then I painted it like this just as we had done it before. Now our 3 parts are done. Just we need to stick it to the base. Again I am saying guys, use any strong glue to stick them, and please don't use hot glue. So once you're done with the sticking part, allow it to dry completely, and this is how it looks. You can leave it as such, or even you can decorate it further. For this I'm using this craft mirrors on the border. So I'm sticking these mirrors on the border, as well as I'll be sticking them on the sides to complete the look. And finally you can hang this by attaching a rope like this. Insert the rope and then place few knots to make it strong. So that's it, our plant hanger as well as the lampshade is done. Now you can add some fairy lights to use it as a lampshade, or even you can place a plant inside to use it as a plant hanger. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed it, and please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please do let me know which one do you like the most, whether the plant hanger or the lampshade. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.